We have a vision, and it's coming to life in Africa. The Future Farm. It uses leading-edge processes to boost production, fast-forwarding development for farms big and small. The Future Farm will help to grow businesses through a unique collaboration of partners crucial to the value chain, helping increase efficiency at every step of farm operations. We train in scientific analysis and crop expertise. We provide support to introduce or improve mechanization. We will build the understanding of farmers by demonstrating the benefits of irrigation, precision farming, and post-harvest solutions. We can even provide marketing support or find the right financial collaborators. What we're building with our partners is a solution for every problem that thousands of farmers face right across Africa. We're also introducing our Future Farm Mechanization Center, offering a wide range of training and educational programs designed to build capacity within African food production systems. Its focus will be on product training as well as mechanized and agronomic solutions. This will be complemented with courses in farm business management that will help with budgeting and decision-making skills. The center will be a first for the continent, a huge leap towards prosperity. So, it's happening. The Future Farm is coming to life, helping farmers in Africa to increase their farm output efficiently and sustainably, from field to fork. High-tech solutions to professional farmers feeding the world. The AGCO Vision. The AGCO Vision.
People come to visit us on this project, they may want to see how to irrigate, they may want to see how to protect their crops, they may want to learn how to plant, they may want to learn how to use machinery responsibly. And what we're trying to achieve here with the aid and the assistance of our partners is to try and have a holistic approach to agriculture and the production of agriculture. And I think our greatest achievement has been in helping people to take the technology and to take what we've been able to bring here and apply it and watch people do it successfully.
So the AGCO Future Farm in Zambia, we have a world first. Not only can students come here and learn in theory in the classroom, but they can also then go into the field and see the ideas that they've been taught being put into practice on a commercial scale. One of the great appeals of high technology now in farming is it's making it a lot more interesting for young people to come into. They can come into the higher skill level. We can pick people at a higher skill level than would traditionally be the norm in agriculture, and especially in Africa, I think empowering people who actually are used to using touch screen technologies, which we find with a lot of our equipment, is going to bring people into farming as opposed to push them away from it.
At Musika, we believe that the private sector are the engine of technology, engine of innovation and development in the rural market. Building up a solid commercial relationships between private sector firms, and we're talking about players on the market who are able to supply quality, reputable, credible products onto the market. We're talking about inputs here, and that quality partnership is very, very important, not only for today, but obviously it's a sustainable one.
It really is a team effort. We use a lot of expertise and knowledge from outside AGCO, primarily from our partners. So we have people that look at the seed side, the chemical side, the fertilizer side, and we all contribute to the process of growing crops and trying to train people at the same time.
If one looks at farming and agriculture, one of the most difficult things for your multinational companies is to gain access to farmers. And when we found out about this Future Farm project, we saw it as an ideal opportunity to be able to aggregate farmers from all over Zambia to a centralized point where we can demonstrate our product and at the same time upskill people in terms of mechanical knowledge and agrochemical knowledge.
At AGCO, we feed the world. It's our continuous search for ways to help farmers succeed in bigger yields and safer, more sustainable farming techniques, and in supporting local farmers from within their communities to achieve their goals. We are the leader in our industry, but our power isn't limited to the capabilities of our machines. It's in our size and scale, in our knowledge of best farming practices and our desire to empower farmers worldwide. Through our on-the-ground support, we pass on expertise that we've spent years acquiring and developing, expertise we can now pass on to help emerging markets move quickly into the future, expertise that will empower African farmers. We have chosen Zambia as the hub from which we'll begin supporting the African farmers, big and small. Its central location makes it accessible to all African countries. And with its long-established tradition of farming, Zambia is a country where we could have an immediate local and regional impact. With little political interference and a culture open to committed business partnerships, Zambia is an ideal location. It's home to our first African-based AGCO Academy, a bricks-and-mortar training center where we'll do so much more than sell tractors. It's where we'll support farmers. Training in the Zambian Academy begins in the classroom for end users, both potential and those with equipment already on the ground. The Academy will train all there is to know about tractors, implements, and harvesting machines. Consumers will learn everything from sitting in the seat for the first time to sustainable farming practices. In addition, they'll also learn ways to bring their crops to market and how to finance new equipment responsibly. Potential customers will also learn about AGCO programs to lease equipment as an entry into mechanized farming. These same classrooms will hold classes for AGCO distributors as well. While covering the fundamental tractor machinery and sustainable farming practices, these classes will also offer sales and service and advanced technical solutions training, all designed to prepare distributors to service and support their local farmers. But classroom theory is only the beginning. From the classroom, students get the opportunity to apply what they've learned in the fully equipped mechanical bays. This is the hands-on practical training where technicians can take apart transmissions, see the inner workings of a hydraulic system, calibrate equipment, or even service an engine. In these well-equipped mechanical bays, farmers and tractor drivers with new equipment, as well as those with machines already working, have the chance to get dirty. They'll learn skills that will ensure their tractors keep performing in the fields and that farmers get maximum performance from their machinery in all conditions. The model farm, a 100-hectare plot on the Academy's grounds, is another real-life lab, a visible application of the theory and practical training they've acquired inside. It will feature a patchwork of sample crops, all planted, maintained, and harvested by AGCO equipment. The fields will offer students the opportunity to test drive new equipment and to see firsthand how technology can lighten their workload, improve their yields, and make operations simpler. Of interest to bigger farmers is an adjacent large-scale commercial farming block. It too will feature crops serviced by AGCO equipment. But most importantly, it allows us to be of service within the farming community we are serving. Africa alone is projected to have a population of 2 billion by the year 2050, with 60% of that population being urbanized. Fewer farmers feeding an even larger population means a greater than ever need for a modernized approach to agriculture. Africa needs our expertise. They needed to close the current capabilities gap, and they needed to feed themselves. We've listened carefully to farmers' needs, their ideas, and their requests. We want to be a part of the future of Africa's food supply, and we believe we have what it takes. We are the first on location in Zambia with this concept. We have the size and strength to deploy machinery and support farmers with AGCO training and personnel. We are committed to real support, tangible and relevant, continuous and long-term. At AGCO, we are committed to seeing our farmers succeed, and that's feeding the world.